In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up authentication code in Bitwarden. By the end, you'll have two-step login turned on with an authenticator app, adding a rotating code to your sign-in for stronger protection. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault in your browser so you're looking at your vault. From here, head into Settings. This is where all of your account controls live, and it's the right place to enable extra security features. Inside Settings, go to the Security section. Security gathers options related to how and when your account can be accessed, including session controls and two-step login. That's what we want next. Choose two-step login. Bitwarden supports multiple methods, but we're going to use an authenticator app because it's quick, works offline, and is widely supported. It generates time-based codes that change every 30 seconds, so even if someone knows your master password, they can't get in without the current code. Select Authenticator app. Have your preferred authenticator ready on your phone or desktop, such as Bitwarden Authenticator, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another totp-compatible app. When you open this option in Bitwarden, you'll see the controls to set it up. Click Manage. This opens the setup screen for the authenticator method. Follow the on-screen prompts in Bitwarden and in your authenticator app to link the account. Your app will create a new entry for Bitwarden and begin showing a 6-digit code that refreshes every half minute. If you're prompted to confirm the connection, keep the Bitwarden page open while you complete the pairing in your app. Now type in the verification code. Enter the exact 6 digits currently displayed by your authenticator app. Because the code rotates, it's best to wait for a fresh one if the current code is about to expire. Make sure there are no spaces and double check that you're using the code from the correct Bitwarden entry in your app. When the code is entered, click Turn On. Bitwarden will confirm that two-step login with your authenticator app is active. From now on, when you sign in, especially on new browsers or devices, you'll be asked for your master password and then the current code from your authenticator app. Keep your app accessible and consider ensuring your device time is set automatically, since time drift can cause codes to be rejected. That's it. You've successfully enabled authentication codes in Bitwarden, giving your vault a strong second layer of defense while keeping your sign-in flow fast and reliable.